Mel Science.
Okay, well, let's get it assembled.
It looks like the science of light is what it says. Science of light.
I see the book.
What are we supposed to assemble?
It probably has the directions
Yeah.
in here.
Ooh,
Okay, so follow your directions.
okay. Let's get components to. Okay. Step 1.
So as you can see, the girls started assembling this with the step-by-step instructions that it came. Super simple, easy to follow. Obviously, they were doing this all on their own. No help from me whatsoever. The instructions were so easy. These Mel Science kits, I am really impressed with them. Super fun. The girls learned a lot, and they actually had so much fun just assembling it. But as you can tell, like, this was minimal input from me or guidance from me. They were able to just follow these step-by-step instructions and assemble it, and then they were learning at the same time. The cool thing is this little booklet teaches you. It has, you know, the comics, and it makes it fun with the cartoons and designs and stuff, but it teaches them while they're building it. So they have this hands-on project, and they're learning something with it. They're getting to apply the education and see the reactions and all this. It's a great scientific experiment, but like I said, being that it's hands-on, it's educational. They're learning in all different ways, from reading, from experimenting, and seeing the results and everything like that. So this was actually pretty cool here. It comes with the tape here. They can make designs on this little plate, and it's made so it can peel off, and they can do different designs. So I think for the first one, they just followed what the book showed, but then she said she could peel it off. She showed me, and they could do different designs. It was really neat. I would definitely get one of these books or boxes.
We could take this thing out so you can actually do that.
Yeah. So all these things are polarizers.
Oh my gosh. But we'll grab your phone on the... I was going to say, look at your phone. But...
Cool. Okay, so keep this
Okay.
over here.
Hallelujah.
You guys will have to scoot closer. Otherwise,
Yeah,
just Bella's in it. Did you want to be in it, Addie? Oh, okay. So now you're going to show me what it does. Hold it up a little bit, Addie, Bella. So what is it supposed to do?
It's supposed to change to the colors of the pattern of the lenses.
Okay, turn around.
It's kind of...
Turn it so I can see all.
So...
Here, put it in front of the light here.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just do this. And then when you turn it, it should change color.
Oh, yeah, you just turn it a little fast. Turn it a little slower.
Okay.
Okay.
And then if you take the pattern out, it'll still change. It's better if you do it out the
Cool.
window.